And what we are trying to do here is just make sure that we can get to the bottom of what happened. Our number one being the justice for Dr. Langat. So we must, we are working closely with the investigating officers or department and making sure that no stone is left unturned until we get to the bottom of really what happened that day. But in addition to that, we as the county government of Nakuru are looking into if there were any weak points and what we need to do to make sure that those are handled properly so that this sort of thing never ever happens and never ever befalls any of our staff or any of our patients or anything.
The pending issues have been on justice for our colleague, Dr. Laban Langat, in terms of progress in investigations, and we've requested that the investigative arms can provide us with factual, latest information, update on the investigation so that we can have confidence that this issue is being given the necessary attention. We've also raised the issue of the security firm currently serving in the hospital, and we've been assured that the security firm is being phased out in about 2 weeks, and we are seeking maximum attention as even the company transitions, that we can also get a more competent firm.
Here today as a representative of the KMPDU South Rift branch. The meetings that we've had is also to strengthen the security within the hospital and get confidence in the healthcare workers that their security is assured. So I'd like to assure our members that we've talked with the governor and we have agreed that the security and everything that we had requested for initially have been beefed up, and everything is going on as requested.